Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navid, and this is Hyperpix. I'm heard you're having an amazing day so far. I'm back with another 80s text effect, one of my favorite decades of all. Like every design that has been like in that decade, we're inspired by them like every day. I hope you feel the same way. I hope I like to tell you that most of our products you can apply your text and your logos to this text style in less than a couple of minutes, and you won't believe you don't need any Photoshop skills like at all. All you gotta do is to follow this video and how you can get this style. If you want to download this style, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this text effect and hundreds of other text effects from different 80s, different decades of design, from movies, games, anything. You can download them, and long story short, you can apply this text styles any language, any logo, any font. No limit. You can see the Japanese look here, so no limit with that. Right-click on the yellow layer to edit it and select Edit Content. In the new window, all you gotta do, double-click on the text layers and type your own text. Easy peasy, right? Okay, and you can change the layer spacing, change the font. It's all up to you. Okay, and you can do the same thing with the second text layer and type your own text. And you can actually control the pattern. Right-click and double-click on the, for example, FX icon. Open layer style window, and from pattern overlay, you can change the position of the pattern. I recommend you just put it in the middle. You can control the layer spacing. It's because of the font. Select the character and increase the layer spacing. For example, you can decrease it. Easy peasy. Just control the variables and change the variables so you can get your new result. Close the window and select yes. There it is. That's as easy as it gets. Beautiful. Apply to our text. You can see the result. Super realistic. We could actually change the size of the font, but this is beautiful. Okay, from the FX folder, deactivate the extrusion and the style. Deactivate the extrusion so we can have more speed in editing. Select the effects and bring it a little bit lower. Okay, I'm gonna show you how these layers works. From the adjustment folder, we got the color and brightness and contrast folder, which contains these adjustments. Select each of them and change the variables, move the pattern. Move the variables so you can get your own design. Next one is the vignette. There's an inner shadow all around our artwork. You can control the opacity, change the color, and you can disable it. Next one, we got a noise on and noise off. You can you can keep the noise, or you can just remove it. But so if you want the noise to be, and you can keep it, just skip this one. But actually, one of these two has to be on. Okay, next one is the other text layer here that you can double click and type your own text. Okay, we got sparkles, these sparkly white things. You can put them on your highlights and your edges of your design one by one and put them where they should go. And put them on your highlights so you can get a reflective look and shiny design. And it doesn't gonna take much time, or you can actually just delete them if you don't want them. Press delete to remove it. Okay, next one is the FX folder, which contains the technical part. Skip this one. Next one is a triangle behind our artwork. And in the background we got a set of lines here, and actually the gradient down here. Okay, let's enable extrusion. There it is. That's beautiful 3D look behind our text. So we did it with the text. So I told you I can apply this to a logo, and I'll show you how. Okay, right click on the yellow layer, and in this window import a logo into this window. Okay, and import it right here and position it in the middle. Okay, remove the one of these text layers. Okay, if we want to apply this style to both text and logo, so we can have this like in these two layers, we cannot do this with just one layer. Okay, for example, I want to drag the FX icon on my text layer, on my logo layer. So here I have like my text, my pattern, just like for example, like from the patterns, I can't have like on both of them. So what's the solution? Select rectangular marquee tools and select the logo part and press Ctrl-Shift-J or Command-Shift-J in Mac. We split this into two separate layers. Now I can apply this to separately to each part. For example, here select the like layer style window and position the pattern a little bit up there by clicking on the empty space of your screen from the pattern overlay. Okay, I think it's good. Close the window and select yes. There it is, beautifully applied to our logo here, our Toyota logo, as you can see. Spectacular. Okay, we have like a lot of whiteness here, so right click on the right layer. Now from the pattern, I want to decrease the white space there, so I'm going to put the scale on 150 and I position it in the middle. So you can see I'll have more purple part, and I brought it a bit lower. As you can see, we have less white part, and I think it's good. Let's turn off extrusion and use Toyota's slogan here. I'm gonna like resize it. Beautiful. Okay, like we have a lot of layer spacing here. Select it and like decrease the layer spacing from that area. Okay, put the sparkles where they should go. I'm gonna remove all of them but one. And okay, so you see that. I'm gonna position it like here. Press Alt and drag it all over your design so you have more speed in positioning the sparkles. That's our technique. Okay. We can turn off background. For example, we can disable the triangle and lines. You can keep the lines like in the middle here. What you gotta do is to mask it. For example, I wanna remove the mask with Shift Delete. Or okay, let's enable a 3D. So background is totally up to you. You can see that how easily we applied this style to our logo. I'm sure that you think the same way. Okay, if you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects. And you can download free stuff and free text effects from freebies. How amazing is that? Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this. My name is Navid and this is HyperPix.